10 rupees.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಯು ವ್ಲಾಗ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡೇಟ್ ಇದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಪದ್ದು ಬೇಬಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಸುದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಳದು. ಫೈನಲಿ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಬ್ರೋ. ಫೈನಲಿ ಮೈ ಪದ್ದು ಬೇಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಬ್ರೋ. One word to describe her.
She's old, she's classic, but it's her baby.
It's his baby. It's his baby.
Mr. and Mrs. Padma. A.K.A. Padmini.
The car. We have introduced. No, the car we have introduced. Now it's time to show you guys what actually we are talking. So here it is, people. And this the love which I was talking, my Paddu baby. Here she is. And here is my day of today. You know, whoa, you know, actually I've introduced this lady as a Paddu darling, and we are going. Actually, I didn't introduce to my subscribers that we are going, you know, in Padmini. I just introduced us. We are going on a date with Paddu.
Nice.
For a chai. So this is our date, people, and it is all set. And Mr. Paddu guy. Paddu's guy. And how did you introduce? Come here. I can introduce. Come on. Please introduce in front of Mr. Paddu. Come here.
Flashback.
Old, she's classic, but it's her baby.
Old? What is that? Old classic? What? Manipal? Chai cafe? What up? Chai cafe? Padmini, here I come. Can I come?
Yes, please.
With your permission.
Oh.
This is, oh god. What is this? Is the interior, people. Amazing here, and there's one saying here, it's not old but classic. It's just classic. Whoa! It's just oh, you can just check out the horn, please.
There's one more horn to this.
So you have 2 horns for this.
Yeah, one is this and one is.
Damn, man. One thing which I observed, guys, is like people are staring into this vehicle. Like literally everyone right now here in Manipal is looking into this vehicle, checking this vehicle out. That's so Gaadi literally checked out. Everywhere we go, there are fans, people. So yes, and it's not like before. It's completely changed now. And now this is like शादी में, like, you know, घोड़े लेके जाते हैं ना, like this time and this era, you take this gaadi and go out. I'm serious, guys. I'm literally serious. This vehicle is completely free for all the people who wants to keep vintage car in their weddings or any other functions. So please do contact my friend. The number I'll be putting it up in my description below. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. You are going to ತಗೊಳ್ತೀಯ ಇದು? 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಿಗೆ 30 ರೂಪಾಯಿ
10 rupees.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ This guy is going to buy my GoPro and the money is already here, huh? Check it out. Our photographer is ready here. Come on, Putta. That guy was actually asking for a book. So right now we are just, I don't know what we are giving, but something we'll give him to make him happy. They want book, it seems. Book. Come. Ba. 3 books ಸಾಕಾ?
And white.
ವೈಟ್ ಬೇಕಂತಾನೆ ವೈಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೊಂದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಎಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಇದು 30 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟ 30 These people are giving me 30 rupees to buy this. ನೀನು ಬುಕ್ ತೆಗೆಸಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲ. This is for them people.
ಇದು ಬೇಡ ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ನಾವು ನಾನೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ
That guy is a crazy content master, man. ಎಂತ ಬ್ರೋ ನಿಂಗೆ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಂಗೆ ಎಂತ ಬ್ರೋ
ಅದ್ರ ರೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದ್ರ ರೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು
Those were some crazy kids, yeah, like ultimate kids which I've never seen. And one guy literally, he was like, we actually gave him 20 rupees ka juice, and that guy is saying, please return that 20 rupees juice back and please give us 10 rupees ka do juice. Literally, yeah. How can a kid think this much? So we are done with this chai thing. And the chai, if you want to give a rating, I can give 3 out of 5. It's okay. The best chai is Ishwar Nagar ka chai.
ಈಶ್ವರ್
Ultimate chai. Like literally it is. Sorry, the Padma baby onchuru. She loves to play hard, I guess. Yes! Yes! She loves to play hard. And no, actually, check out our vodka partner here. The last time we had with this guy was vodka with Golgappa.
ಡ್ರಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ non-stop.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹಾಂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಫೇಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಲೈಕ್ ಅಂದಾಜ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ ಗಾಡಿ. ಹಾಂ ಫೇಟ್ ಪದ್ಮಿನಿ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಪದ್ಮಿನಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. Oh god, that was amazing, people. I didn't expect like the reaction. Harder. Sorry. Still harder,
Yes.
Was it harder? Okay, finally done with this. Our vlog was done and we had this wonderful meetup. It was really good and crazy reaction. I didn't expect this much reaction to be given by this public. And if you really want to hire this car for any of your function, the number is in my bio. It's in my description, so you can check out my description and you can call the person out. What's it, bro?
Yes, sure, bro.
Call this person out, and this car is always available on your functions. Miss man, like it was good and the day was really fantastic. Today I'm going to end this vlog, and if you really love this vlog, subscribe to karo, like karo और share मारो यार. At least Padmini के लिए तो share मारो please. Padmini के लिए. Okay, चलो bye bye. Until next time, bye bye.